Welcome back to the channel. I want to show you guys how you can change the speed of your playback on an audio file, but retain the pitch and isolate it in case you're trying to work on a part like a lot of guitar players do when they're trying to figure out passages. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Here is the original track as it sits. Now if we want to isolate the guitar, we can click on this track and use the AI Music Remixer. So if we turn that on, I actually have the voice, drums, and bass muted. So let's say we're trying to learn this solo here. It now sounds like this. Well, let's say we wanted to slow it down but keep the pitch because we're already tuned. What you can do is select your track, and down here in the inspector where it says speed change, you can actually adjust this. A lot of people think of speed change when it comes to video, but you can actually do the audio. And we have a couple check boxes down here, and these are important. We have a ripple timeline and a pitch correction. Ripple timeline means whenever you change the speed, it'll resize the track that you have displayed. If that's not checked, it'll change the track and then you gotta like drag it out to see the entire track. I'll show you what I mean. I'll take this off. You can see this ends right about 336. We're going to type this in and go to 80%. You can see the waveform changes. It's now playing back slower, so that means it's going to end later on, which will now be way down here. Now, if we go back to our original file and we have ripple timeline on, I'm going to go ahead and change it back to 80 one more time. Now you can see it extends out to meet the new time. Now pitch correction just says keep the pitch the same and don't slow it down based on the speed rate. So sometimes you want that, sometimes you don't. So now I have a secondary marker here because it's slowed down. The solo now comes in where this red marker is. So this is what it sounds like at 80% with pitch correct on. So if we wanted to really break that apart, or we were practicing along with it to pitch, this will keep the pitch the same so you don't have to deal with the whole slowed down thing. And then if you want to go back, just double click speed change. This will rewrite the waveform, and now we're right back to... Alright, so that's it. You can actually isolate instruments, which is pretty cool if you wanted to learn some of the tracks, or in this case you're trying to learn a lead and you want to isolate it and even slow it down to play back and practice. Alright, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.